You're being recorded, mate.
My shoes are all wet.
My shoulder's wet.
Get home to bring the GoPro with you.
Huh?
Get home to bring the GoPro with you.
You should have chest mounted the GoPro with you. Right, so what we're doing is we're trying to get the water from the waterfall and we're going to boil it. That way we can say we've drunken water from nature. Little Edmund there's completed his mission. What?
Got shortly work and not really cold.
What? Jesus Christ, Edmund.
No, you're not going to make it.
We have some fresh waterfall. Fresh waterfall juice.
Fresh waterfall juice. Fresh waterfall juice.
Now time to cover up.
Okay.
Oh, do you want to take a panorama or something on this one?
Yeah.